Bro. Nah, this shit too good. I'm sorry. Ain't gonna never have no abs.
I sit by the car with this shit, it's so muddy, but I love it, baby. When I jump out the whip, when I hop out the whip, then I'm fresh in the latest. I do what I want and I smoke so I'm faded. I drink till I pass out, I wake up and drink up again. I pour up again and again. I said I wasn't gonna fuck with that bitch and I fought her again.
What's going on, fam? It's your man J10, and today on the menu we got a Mardi Gras pasta dish. Now this dish was inspired by Pappadeaux Seafood Kitchen. However, I think we took it up a whole nother level. Now let's get started. First things first, we want to season up our shrimp and crawfish. All the seasonings are gonna be listed below in the caption, so don't worry. Get everything coated and real nice, and we're just gonna give everything a good mix. A little Cajun Seasoning, some black. Then slice up that andouille sausage. Up on 85. Right. And chop up some fresh garlic. In a pan over medium heat, drop that sausage in and let it cook until they got a beautiful sear on it. We want that smoky, crispy edge on every bite. Look at that sausage. Woo! Can't wait. Now in that same pan, we're gonna toss that shrimp in it. We're gonna cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. Then right when they're about done, we're gonna just hit it with some garlic butter and give it a nice stir. I'm telling you, that flavor is crazy. Look at that shrimp, bro. It's crazy. After that, we're gonna toss in the crawfish and saute for about 2 minutes. This is our part of the story. I mean, just look at it. Look at this beautiful crawfish. I can just eat this by itself. Man, this is a seafood platter right here. Come on, it don't get no better than this. Everything just looks so beautiful. All right, now let's build that sauce. In a large saucepan, we're gonna add 1 can of crushed tomatoes and a tablespoon of butter. We'll bring it to a medium heat, add in our minced garlic, fresh basil, and all the spices that you see on the screen. We'll give it a nice stir, and we're gonna pour in a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then we're gonna throw in 2 big handfuls of Parmesan cheese, stir it in smooth, and grab a whisk and turn up the heat just a little bit. Make sure that cheese melts all the way down and blends beautifully with the sauce. So no burning is going to be allowed. So we're gonna make sure we stay on it, I say for about 5 to 7 minutes, and just give it a good wrist work. Once the sauce is perfect, with that creamy texture, it's time for the noodles. We're gonna boil the noodles up to be al dente and add a little oil so they won't stick. Now take a look at that sauce. That bold red orange color, exactly, that's what we were aiming for. It's creamy, rich, and it's ready. Now let's bring it all home. Dump in all your protein, shrimp, crawfish, sausage. This right here, seafood heaven. My condolences to anybody with a shellfish allergy because this pasta was straight fire. Capital F, capital I-Y-A-H. Toss in the noodles, mix everything up, and you're done. And I promise you, this pasta Mardi Gras hits different. When you make it, tag me. I want to see your take on it. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. Peace. Bro. It's awesome good.